Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Obni News. This is your host Harisha Barari. Let's get into the headlines. Education never stops, says Arena Animation Hubli. The center is fully sanitized.
Hello everyone. I hope all students are doing good. I hope you and all your family members are good at your health. The interaction today of me and you is because I just want to tell you all that we have sanitized the entire center. We have cleaned everything, and then we made sure we've taken all the precautionary measures so that once you all are back, the center is clean and safe for all of you all. I just wanted to tell you all that I was going through a report wherein UNESCO has generated a report. They've conducted a survey actually, which says that 157 crores of learners across the globe have been affected due to this pandemic, or you can say COVID-19. Education is come to a standstill situation. But then what has happened with Arena Animation, or throughout the centers of Arena, the education is not stopped, or you can say learning is not stopped, because we are running online classes continuously. And especially I thank all the faculties of Arena Animation Hubli. They are at constant support for all the students. Let's also thank Aptech Limited and Arena Animation for conducting various webinars and getting renowned persons from the industry for all the students, so that they are not idle at home, and their creativity is not stopped. So students, what I suggest all of you all to stay home, stay safe, till you get back to the center. Enjoy your online classes. There are much more things which are coming up online. We'll be getting you many webinars and many things and a lot of stuff. So till then, stay home, stay safe and stay creative.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ನಾವಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅರಿನಾ ಅನಿಮೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hubli Dharwad BRTS has taken a very good step towards social distancing. Every terminal is fully sanitized.
Yeah, Harisha. The Chigri buses, considered as the lifeline of the public transport between Hubli and Dharwad, are now reopened after a gap of 2 months, over 2 months, because of this COVID-19 situation. They were opened on the June 5, and vast number of people are rushing towards the public transport, and the government is also taking care of the sanitizers and taking care of the people and providing sanitizers and taking care of their bus drivers also. And as you can see here, they are checking the temperature of every passenger who is boarding into the Chigri buses, and as you can see, the government has taken safety measures to prevent this COVID-19 situation, as they are providing sanitizer to the customers and checking them while they are boarding in the buses. And as the public transport was big issue to the peoples, and people were asking for public transport, and most of the people transport as you know most of the people travel through public transport and uses, and this Chigri has given them opportunity to do their works and go to the places travel, and so, and government is also taking measures, and they are fully fully prepared for the upcoming situations, as you can see here. And no doubt every passenger is going to be checked before he is boarding, and sanitized their hands, and taken safety measures to travel. And now people also have opportunity to go to their works using public transport, and they can trust government also, as they are also checking the people, every person. They are checking every person and sanitizing their hands, and they have sanitized the whole, as you can see, they have sanitized the whole buses and kept all clean. There is no doubt of any risk situations here. And as you know, after this whole pandemic issue, people were scared to go out and transport publicly, but and go in buses. But now, as they have cleaned all the buses and sanitized all the buses, and they are checking every passengers before boarding, now people can take relief and board the buses and travel.
Now let's connect to our ground reporter, Mr. Ganesh. Yes, Ganesh.
Yeah, Harisha. As you can see
Yes,
here
Ganesh.
in Dharwad, the COVID cases are rising. As reported in Sunday, there were 10 cases reported, and on Monday, that is yesterday, there were 34 cases reported in Dharwad district. And in total in Dharwad district, there are 155 cases now. And the on Monday, which cases were reported, 22 were men and 12 were women. And you can see in Dharwad market, there is no fear of COVID in the people's faces. As you can see, the people are now free roaming in the market. You
Yeah.
can see in the videos, uh, the people are roaming in the markets and freely, and they have no fear of COVID-19. You can see here in market, the small shops have been open now, and every shop
Yeah.
and every grocery shop and vegetable shops and food shops are now open, and flower shops and are now open, and people are rushing towards the shops and buying their essentials, and everyone is wearing masks and that's a good sign, which is good now. For in some places of Dharwad, there is social distancing maintained. In other places, there is no, and there is no provide
Yeah.
and there is no and in some shops they are providing sanitizers, and the mask is compulsory, and in some places the mask is not compulsory, and people are not afraid of the COVID-19 causes pandemic, and they are free, and they are not in tense of getting caught by the COVID. You can see in
Yeah.
markets of Dharwad and Hubli, there is no people. As you can see in the market of Hubli and Dharwad, there are peoples who are not wearing masks and not using sanitizers and safety precautions and measures to prevent COVID-19. People are freely roaming and not without fearing to this pandemic.
Thank you, Ganesh. Now let's connect to our ground reporter, Miss Kinza.
Yes,
Hello,
Harisha, I
Kinza.
can hear you. So, as you can see here, people are still in this lockdown. People are still roaming here and there. It's the traffic as usual, like before, as if there's no lockdown or something. And you can see some people with masks, some of them without the mask, some of them following the rules. Or so, Harisha, as you can see here, people are still on the road. Like, though the city is under the lockdown 4.0, you can see people still on the road as they have to go to their works, they have to have their life, even though they are following the social distancing rules, wearing masks. Harsha, as you can see that even after so many difficulties, people still have to go to the work, have to live their lives. So whatever we can do is just that, maintain social distancing and wear masks, and this shows us like we have to live with this corona, we have to live with this COVID-19 virus.
Yes, thank you, Kinza. The number of COVID-19 cases in Delhi increased by 10,000 over a week. Rajasthan can help the neighboring states, says CM Gehlot. Home Minister Amit Shah orders the authorities to hand over the bodies of COVID victims without waiting for the reports. Anand Vihar railway station reserved for COVID-19 coaches. IIT Kharagpur requested students and the researchers to go home. Now let's get into the weather updates and forecast. During last 24 hours, heavy rain commenced over many parts of coastal Karnataka and Goa. Monsoon has made an onset over Mumbai and now we can expect rain activities to increase further. Heavy rains occurred over East India, particularly Orissa, West Bengal and parts of Bihar. South Kerala, interior Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana may get subdued rainfall. For daily updates, do watch Hello Obli News. Thank you everyone.